So what do you like about the SteelBlue product?
Your door, I think the housing component is by far superior, comes in the box.
The fact that there is that frame around the roll-up door that allows it to be protected during travel and gets installed with no damage.
So the design of the door is a little unique, and that's something that we had envisioned that from the start. We wanted to put a product into the marketplace that actually allowed us to make sure that we were shipping a door and it was arriving on the job site the way that it was manufactured in our facility.
It's a box that we put around the actual door. It has handles on it. It's a nice, sturdy steel box. The reason for us doing that is maybe threefold. Number one, for shipping. They don't stack on top of each other, they stack on top of the rail. That's a huge advantage for us in the sense that we're shipping out, we know how many we can get on a truck. They're not getting damaged when they're getting placed on the ground. The advantage for the customer is that your installers bring the box over with the door in it, they set it down, they're not putting on screws. We've had very few, if any, returns on doors. And that speeds up the process. Us redoing doors is an advantage to the customer that we're not doing that and they're not having to wait. The fact that when the doors show up, they show up in great shape. So I think it's an advantage for everybody. I think the installers absolutely love it because they're just picking up the whole box, putting it up and screwing it on. We feel that's a much faster installation as well. I think it's a win-win. I don't have any returns. That's key in sales.
In packaging, we created a situation where the doors aren't laying on top of each other. So we're not having to go back on multiple deliveries to replace doors that are damaged during shipping. So that's creating a great time savings on projects, and we're not having to spend more time in the shop replacing materials and doors that are being built. So that helps us with our lead times and with resources. We don't have to buy extra resources to create more doors and do all that.
The customer feedback has been very supportive of how products are arriving. There's not a big need for replacement. The materials for the hallways have been the same. We take extra precaution in packaging to make sure that we don't have transit damage and that we're able to get a quality product on the job site from the outset. The functionality of the door has been right on point with where we engineered it. And we feel like as we continue to grow and make product enhancements and introduce those to the product offering that we're putting in place, that quality product is going to continue to excel in the marketplace and specifically for SteelBlue.
Would you recommend the roll-up door from SteelBlue?
Without a doubt, I would recommend SteelBlue. In fact, I do regularly recommend SteelBlue, and I love being an advocate for you guys and that you've come into this industry and into this space that it was really needed.